Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Roblox no network. Please retry when connected to internet. So the first step here that we're going to do is basically we're going to your phone settings. So go to settings and then here scroll down and find the general option. Here on general, scroll down and we need to find this VPN and device management. So we're going to tap on that and then make sure to disable or turn off this VPN. Once done, go back to general settings and then select iPhone storage. And then from here, as you can see all the installed apps on your iPhone. So scroll down and find the Roblox app. So all you need to do here is you just need to tap on offload app. And once your app is offloaded, go back to App Store, search for Roblox application. And then here, if an update button shows up, just tap on update or install or reinstall this Roblox app. But if the problem persists, the next step that we're going to do is basically check your Roblox server. So sometimes Roblox server got a problem here and not your end. So basically, you just have to wait until Roblox team fix their issue on their server. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.